Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to use Grok AI on X. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an X application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here X application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. At third, you'll be able to find the icon for Grok AI. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. So within the X application you'll be able to use the Grok AI. You'll be able to create the images using Grok AI. Also you'll be able to edit the image. You can explore the options according to your choice. If you want to ask anything to Grok AI, simply tap on the box ask anything. Now you'll be able to ask anything to the Grok AI. Simply type in your prompt. You'll also be able to find the option for deep search and think. If you want the Grok AI to use deep search feature in order to answer your question, simply tap on the option deep search. Likewise, if you want the Grok AI to think in order to answer your question, tap on the option think. You can also attach the files if you want. Simply tap on the attach icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be able to attach the files. Now simply tap on the send icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here Grok AI will answer your question. So like this you'll be able to use the Grok AI on X. So that is how you use Grok AI on X. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.